signs of the love of Allah. You want to know if Allah loves you? He makes it easier for you to obey His instruction and command. You enjoy your prayer. You enjoy dressing appropriately, and you don't mind what people think of you. It's very important for us to realize that Allah gives you opportunities, and those opportunities are limited. I'm going to read a verse for you, and I want you to look at the Prophet Noah, Nuh alayhi salam, when he told Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that I've called my people for 950 years. I called them openly, I called them in secret. I called them during the daylight, I called them at night. I did whatever I could, and you know what? They are simply not accepting the message. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told him something that's a lesson for all of us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, لَن يُؤْمِنَ مِن قَوْمِكَ إِلَّا مَن قَدْ آمَنَ. Allahu Akbar. O Nuh, from your people, nobody else is going to accept the message. The rest of them will not